Aquaba and Faumbra GCN pages so meeting at the Adroa searching. Mesro, subscribe to my channel. Found some me on the so, will be a notification. And some melkos will make me be a beauty, and as will be a share a GCN page. On my Ghana, a na yendia. Entino and Sembi Ecoso or Maymuna saying, ya, Ubia, ever right sober out, ever chenadrin. Na ye bisa, a year NDC for. And as a politician, some more of my Ghana will say ya to aba MOB, now obey president, obey to America, and as a home to America. Now, question where Ekoma NDC for say year 2024, a day enemy about to a babatry. Sinyami Adom, na a year on my penida that His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, every election. Is he going to pay his wife a year, Mammy Lodina, and I say, oh, Chianica? Now, the entire episode question na a year, Mammy Rebecca. First lady and a second lady, Madame Samira Baumia, almost salary and a alawa sema ekoso ewo mainga nemu. Na one said some of us in Pune knew said president or a vice president, almost no eje alawa. We didn't know until said a year now no salary who send sema a copy of Parliament House abe hete or mainga nemu and some who say indeed say a first lady and a second lady send omoje alawa young cry. Some of us now we didn't know until that same way a bar out. Na emomeno amafo bebre e na e kase o manga na sikeni empomofra etiguase esuade emofra in the classroom esuade et na ho esuade enti se ma me Rebecca omo akoka salary ho asem na se ni buafu no diskana ba Ghana for edumo so omo age omo accept omo age cry kase sika no na da bank no ewe enti sika we na no se ma me Rebecca se ni buafu na ware fan diskana bia onfa eye interest e ba sika no ho enka ho na na ye bisa say okay ma me Rebecca e di sika no aba na Ghana fu bebre na MPP for and baby omo so asori so be call demonstration there tia eye Madam Lodina eye former first lady so no so ni sika alawo mo de mani na ombetua wantua ne nya se papa kra e wo man Ghana hanom amanfo bebre so ka se ma me Rebecca obi a nhye no se won fa sika ne mbra of course ma me Rebecca so obi a nhye no se won fa sika ne mbra na no di sika na ba okay o di sika na ba yaje na ensem we na enkombra no NDC fu no mu di mu akuti yie papa o man pani dada John Dramani Mahama ebeken bi omo communications director Same Jemfi abeke NDC fu penifuni na rese dun ketia obia aba abekemi na ye pese ye bisa say inti NDC fu amu ye say 2024 it's obvious say 2024 NDC fu no more because Ghana ha no be youth no more sorry na face the country say any ate no NDC and MPP ya na ko ba edo mo so it's obvious say 2024 NDC fu no more inti NDC fu we are asking say even a yalawo a salary first na yalawa and na His Excellency na do na kwakufado e pass law dey akọ Parliament House say alawa no di obi apelotua enti ne sa do mo ya ne fix enti president o be bi oni say sikasen e na otua ade amanere ana vice president sikasen e na ekonere ho e na ba ye mu nsema be bebre e wo man Ghana emu a ma me Rebecca e de ne sika no aba no enti ye bisa say NDC for no say o man pani dada John Dramani Mahama no otua ne re ne ka enti say nsem ya ben na ma Lodina so diskani go wan fambo any phobia no because any Mama Rebecca say obi an hye ne so fisika ne brona na kumbe mode aba inti NDC for 2024 mu win election inti ebisa NDC for say 2024 so mu to win election no now man penda da John Dramani Mahama be president is he going to pay his wife Mama Lodina na wa discount because either alawa or salary no ni na sika and these are some of comments Ghana food be Emma teacher pay for NDC for one of the say Ghana hanom enye obebre enko ye yakwan enye school sem ye ni school ada ye ni hospitals eno mutua omampani ne reka meanwhile so na ndisi fu mo power no na mutua mo ye na mo first lady na second lady sika ni alawo offend say salary ni na ye sika nti why are the NDC complaining nti ye bi say 2024 mo ba mo betua mo ye no mo kana because video be circulating and as audio be circulating on social media say uko US president be enu a otua ne reka and as a second lady or whatever enti Ghana ha no me kra na de bia yesu say ye ni sika na nyema nko ye no kra mutua first lady and na second lady ka and na eho ensem abenti and this for ye bisa mo either alawa or salary no O man penda da John Dramani Mahama, o win you bet you America, and that's own to America. So to America, then you be sure of my name for papa, because I'll wo salary Nina Asica. There's no about NDC or MPP, or be an NDC, and also be an MPP. But fact in the say obedient the Abba more cano, it's a politics, NDC, MPP, they are the same way or more canisano. When NDC or papa, almost the same thing, but Sibisa say, Intino, or man penda da John Dramani Mahama, obey me to America. And as old to me in America, I asked him, said, I gonna free visa.
It's about the fact that one kasa Honorable Kojo Ponkroma, Information Minister, is the first person to break that news. For us to know that in Tia Moabe Dune Committee, recommendations be ordered as a Penny to be classified as Article 71 holders. Now we Then we started discussing this issue. Are you getting the point?
Maybe as a narrative in freeball. As to the okay, as to they drawing their whatever from Article 71 because no may catch will be say the okay information minister be a conversation because if you read the report and the recommendation,
I'm saying that. Remember that when we I will listen to the report.
Okay.
But before we even started discussing this issue, now report has out. I'm saying that Ansana Ghana for you better them issue now you start here discussing. It was triggered by this information minister of the same government who told us about recommendations offer them reporting other other offer onuntin all the yen or man paying an average children yema yedi according to this report recommending
so that it wasn't triggered.
No, hold on. You hold on.
He was reacting to Benson Thompson. No.
You have the opportunity, Mr. You have the opportunity. Chief,
Governor Asante, what I'm saying here, the issue at stake on the recommendations here. Until I'm going to committee or other recommendations to come up, President. President Otebu, do you know that per the Constitution, if you read Article 70, 1 now, President, need two many be one. I think D or so, on upon who, or the ma committee, or Yemra, or Shen, the other upper committee, now will review Article 71 holders. Now, what power them do committee the one conquer Juman? What's a form now? Jumano? What's one types of reference? He be crock and when you there, one share other matters. Other matters should be limited to the 71 now, or no normal them 2 minutes a year. But they came back to tell us that, I will recommend the amount paying 1 year no man allowances now the mahon 1 year regularizing now on your salary. The document here, President Onyimpa, the 2 more man, more the power them committee, 2 money fee on them position or occupy or can Article 71 holders no war. The meeting or form them 2 men. But President pass on the parliamentary affairs minister. Emma also was about parliament. Emma na me you say document in the version. For parliament. And I'm saying that one, President Ankasampon could have saved the situation by stopping it and sign a document in the crown or by Besson. Emma, second mistake by parliament so that approve and oil them. Orba. Ghana for acting some Jumana wire from presidency to parliament. The thing has come out. And Ghanaians think that no. Article 71 holders are Article 71 holders. Ghanaians also are saying that the first ladies and secondly, 1 year, the Bambo officer where Juma, one foundation is not then and fast because of one position. The foundation will chase you can list them to GMPC, Ghana Commercial Bank, and a whole lot. They give them money because of who they are. Support their foundations, man wants to more support to Unkuno. In Ghana for don't agree. They hear more on salary. Near for one Article 71 office holders won. This is what we are discussing. Then, first lady and a second lady was to scan crowd one pebble. Since I want penny there, in Crawford to on abodo, Casa been walk and winning you. And I'm asking, I hope Brassy Mala. There, Casa and Crawford can't one penny what this can ban. And Adam Casa and Crawford can agan a full horn office, I was the Mahon, one a friend and per dear my wood Mahon, Bamba Eddie Mahon, walk or back out, Kakra, one office. And also one JBU, and only do Wabeji. But allowance and what the Bama.
Okay.
Sit down, not. It's not a good mark. It's very bad there. In the history of Ghana, President Akufo-Addo need term as president, and them salary issues came up, and in discussing it, the wife of the president and the vice president, where you know, if it was this Kenyan up, meanwhile, the same country no ne bambon security you will take it. The same Ghanaians are the same people who are talking. The same country no if you are use. It's not everything that you take it, you look at it from that political angle. Or do some of the things are you discuss you de befi sebi you to tonza maho na ye hwe ne yehu de debi. Somebody may think that you are scoring a political point, and I hear people talking about those things and asking. Even Kojo upon Kruma yesterday on your Asempa show was asking that what is trending on social media now. What then Crawford wait here, Madam offending Becky no nye Madam Samira or the Uskanaba into Madam Lodina. That is childish. Sabi first lady phone obi anyi wa odi trukusi abando do nche honka abandon responsibility in there or then kadam krata na wo ye na odi dem recommendation ba na what call wo bo hwe na wa ye ho adwuma na wenya one piece. First ladies are na ye wo former first ladies why are
Limana Misata Nadu Lodina
Madam Teresa,
yeah.
And if you are calling Madam Lodina don't also finally refund them, bra. The others, are you going to call on them? And don't you think it's a shame and it's childish for us to even engage in that discourse? For me, I mean, respectfully, they could have said this in Tiamwa committee because we are saying that it's unconstitutional. Them or they will have to, because their own party person, Bono regional chairman, Kwame Abroni, he went to court seeking interpretation, and he also feels that it is unconstitutional for the committee to have gone that far.
Okay, so
that is the context at which we are having this discussion.
Okay, so your context, let's situate it well with probably how we may have arrived at this place. Lots of distortions, lot of misrepresentation, lot of emotions.
Yeah.
And let me read what the report says.
Okay. Order. You want to read order?
No,
report?
Specifically in relation to
the
spouses of certain and former presidents and vice presidents should be catered for by the state as part of privileges extended to president / vice president.